Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Haywire, and if you are new to this channel, I bring you crypto tips, plays, and information concerning things happening in the crypto ecosystem. So if you are new on this channel, you're welcome, and if you are not yet subscribed, just hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, turn on the notification, click the notification button, turn on the notification bell so you can be getting information like this whenever I drop it. Today, I'll be talking about ZKSYNC. ZKSYNC, I like the name. ZKSYNC is an L2 project built on Ethereum, trying to scale the Ethereum to be faster, cheaper, and much better. And they've not dropped a coin yet, but they will come up with a coin eventually, and positioning ourselves for this great airdrop that can come, this insane airdrop that can come. It's one of the best things you can do these days. You can see optimism, up protocol ENS, and Arbitrum is coming up as well. I did a video on Arbitrum, you can check it out. ZKSYNC, I just want to show you how you can connect your Metamask or your wallet to ZKSYNC so you can be able to interact with the ecosystem. If you have a Metamask, all you need to do, just open your Metamask address application on your phone or your computer. If you're on your computer, you will not need this process like the one I want to show you. Make sure that it stays on in wallet in Ethereum main network. That is what you're going to use. So you come here. If you're on your phone, you use your wallet connect to connect it to it. If you are on your computer, you use Ethereum wallet directly to connect to it. I'm on my phone right now, so let's use wallet connect. You see, you connect to ZKSYNC. As you can see, it has connected my wallet. You need a wallet connect if you're on your phone. These are my balance on L2. You see, this is balances on L2. In L2, this is my balance. So this is how you connect your ZKSYNC. And after you connect your ZKSYNC that way, you can go to crypto. ZKSYNC. Let me see. ZKSYNC ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem.zksync.io. They have a lot of projects coming up. The choosing solution for scaling Ethereum. As you can see on the screen, these are new projects coming up. They are not live yet, but they are new projects coming up. New standard protocol, Umiana Tech. They are new. So you scroll. These ones, they are not yet live. You are looking for live after connecting your wallet. Remember, when you connect your wallet, there is a way you can transfer. Then you'll be able to bridge from L1 to L2 Ethereum. You have to have some Ethereum in your wallet to be able to use ZKSYNC. You put Ethereum in your mainnet, and you transfer to the L2 using ZKSYNC. Okay, so these are the projects on their ecosystem. You look for the ones that says live. That's what we are looking for. A lot of projects coming up on ZKSYNC. As you can see, this is an ecosystem. They have a lot of projects, good projects there. They have a lot of good projects there. You just have to use it once in a while. These ones are live. You click on it and you interact with it. Some of them you just need to read and find out what they're doing. I've done zigzag to exchange. Zigzag is an exchange. You can exchange on zigzag. This is zigzag. Let's say use zigzag is an order book DEX powered by ZK rollups. We bring the like experience to our DEX with bottomless liquidity and minimal slippage fees. It's this one, you don't need a slippage fee. If you want to change, say you want to change Ethereum to USDC or USDC to Ethereum, you ask as if let's get to their website. You perform the transaction as if you are placing a trade. So here it is. Because I've connected, you see my wallet is already connected. Well, let me just so here it is. My wallet is connected, as you can see. When you come here, you can disconnect it. So let's say I want to change Ethereum to USDC. So you click on Ethereum USDC. It's very easy to use. Market, it's because I'm on my phone. You have limit, market, spot. So normally you use market. Let's say you have changed it BUSDT to USDT. So okay, so to bring you something like this, let's say I want to buy. You want to buy some BUSD. So you just initiate the buy. If you want to sell, this is what you do. So you switch this on. You see, this. You make sure this one move. This part. You make sure this part move. Let's try another. Let's see. Ethereum USDC. Okay, Ethereum USDC. Okay, you see, I have, so the Ethereum I have right now can only buy 7 USDC. So if I want to buy, let me see if I want to buy, because I did not have enough USDC to buy ETH. It's not moving. But if I want to sell ETH, it's moving. I have some ETH here, as you can see, it's moving. So this is, well, immediately you sell it and you buy USDC, it will reflect in your wallet. Let me just do this. Cannot property. What is it? So you just click sell. I think it's because I'm on the phone. This is how you use zigzag. This is how you use zigzag. You can also bridge on zigzag. You can also bridge, as you can see. Bridge. You can bridge on zigzag. How can you bridge? You can bridge from Ethereum L1. Let's say after you connect your ZKSYNC to your Ethereum mainnet, you want to bridge. You have some coin in Ethereum mainnet. You want to bridge to ZKSYNC. This is how you do it. Ethereum max, click max, anyone you have. I don't have. You see, my balance is low. This is how you bridge it. You transfer it to ZKSYNC. So you'll be able to use ZKSYNC ecosystem with the Ethereum you have on the L2 on ZKSYNC. If you have any question, you can just ask in the comment section below. And if you want more enlightenment, just ask question. Let's interact. Let's talk together. Let me know what you think about this video. If you enjoy this video, once again, try to subscribe, try to hit the like button, try to turn on the notification bell so you can get information like this in the future. I remain HY Crypto, and I thank you for listening. This is ZKSYNC. Don't miss it. Try to connect your wallet, interact with those ecosystems like I've showed you before now. Thank you for listening, and see you on the next one.